No, I won't go.
Watch me!
Oh, you can do it. I'm already breaking stuff. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So if you don't recognize where I am, that's because we haven't been in this space before. The reason for that is, as promised on all of our social medias, we have got some big changes coming up to the channel. And the first big change is I want to introduce you guys to some new crew members. Okay, who's first? Right, so this is not necessarily a new face to the channel, but go ahead and reintroduce yourself.
My name is Jen.
And what do you do for us?
I am head of operations.
I was about to say, apart from telling me what to do.
Oh yes, and that.
And what is your favorite car?
My favorite car is an Evo 10.
Evo 10, very nice, very nice. All right, so another not necessarily new face to the channel, but part of the crew now. This is...
My name is Andrew. I'll be the head of the social media for you guys.
And for anyone who knows Andrew, they'll probably already know the answer to this question. But Andrew, what is your favorite car?
I'll be the Audi RS6 Avant.
Audi RS6 Avant, I like it, I like it. Right, and lastly, Jaco, you've been on the channel once or twice as well.
Yeah, I think a few events.
There we go.
A comment or two.
Yeah.
So my name's Yaku. I'll be head of finances and stuff like that.
So Yaku just makes sure that we don't spend too much money on cars and things, basically. Right, and Yaku, all-time favorite car?
Mark IV Supra.
Mark IV Supra.
Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, so we got a bit distracted, but here's another crew member for you guys. This is Nova.
Nova. My Quattro Gecko.
Quattro Gecko, yeah. You can't afford an RS6, so you got a RS Gecko. Right, guys, so these are the new monkeys in the circus, and we are all very, very excited to be bringing you guys some new, fresh content. And the fact that we're in a garage might hint to one or two things. As you can see, it's still quite bare, but over the coming months, there are going to be some big changes and a lot of things happening in the space where we're standing now. But for today, we've got one more thing to show you guys. Alright guys, so first things first, we've got some new toys to play with and I am super excited about this stuff. No, I want that one. So guys, first things first, we want to say a huge thank you to Ardendorf Machinery Mart. They were kind enough to sponsor everything you see on this table behind us. We've got a bit of everything. We're going to go through and open it all up, but should we tell them what we're going to be doing with it?
I don't think. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay guys, well that just means you're going to have to drop a comment below. Let us know what you think we're going to be doing with this. It's probably pretty self-explanatory, but we want to know from you guys, what do you think we're doing with all this stuff? But Yaku, while they are commenting, I think we need to get ready and open all these things up. What do you think? Yeah. Right guys, we're going to open them up.
Look at the nails. Give me a knife.
They're not that long.
They're not that long.
Okay guys, so we are all kind of excited here. So as you can see, we look like kids around a Christmas tree. So we're going to get in there. Andrew, what have you got there? You tell us what you got there first.
I've got a trim removal set. It's a white box.
I don't know what to use that for. No, just jokes, I do. Love what you got there. Jen?
I've got a lion battery.
She's got a lion battery. Insert a picture of a lion here.
1, 2, 3.
And Yaku has got probably what I'm most excited about.
Yes, I think everyone.
Oh, right. I want to open a box. I want to open a box. What can I? Okay, I'll do this because it's small and I can do this with one hand.
12 seconds later.
Woo! I got a charger. So this is the charger for the cordless impact. And Yaku, what have you got there? Oh, you've got the impact still. Here's the impact. This is the creme de la creme. That
manual?
Is instruction manual. Hang on, we need this. We need this. Oh, yes. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's very nice. So guys, we're going to actually go through and make videos of what we're going to be using all this stuff for, how to use it. And but for now, we're just having a bit of fun opening it all up. Yaku, have you got it out yet? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's going to make our life so much easier.
Where's the lion?
Where's the lion? Where's the lion?
The lion is here.
There's the lion.
Put it in.
Let's see.
That's what she said. Ooh, what you got there, love?
I've got my second jack. Here's my first.
So this is the 3-ton heavy-duty steel jack stands. Ooh, those are beefy boys. I heard a noise.
Oh, you heard a noise.
Nice.
There we go.
What's
cool?
What's the rest of the jack? Check the jack.
What's this?
Yeah.
This goes in here.
Ho ho ho.
Right?
Tell me more.
Look at this.
Nice.
Give me height. Give me height.
That sounds like quality.
We need a charger.
Oh, there's
Right,
two.
okay, so that's going on charge.
I didn't know there was 2 in the box.
There's 2 in the box.
I still got 4.
We got 4. Just by the way.
Woo! Andrew, can I give you the camera? Because I want to open a big box. I want to open a big box. Yeah, what I'll do is, the big thing with this, right, is, where's it? This one right here, I don't know if you can see it. That's a 10 mil. We're going to try our best not to lose that. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. You gonna be able to put it up?
Pull it out.
Watch me, honey. Watch me! God!
Yes.
How do you
I'll tell you what this
Here
is.
we go.
This is a 165 piece toolkit, and this is amazing. Woo!
Oh, this is nice.
Ooh.
Show me your smiles.
I need a minute alone. This is really nice, guys. As you can see, we've got a little bit of everything. We've got spanners. Oh, there's more here. Look at that.
gosh.
There's more. We've got a 1/2 inch and a 1/4 inch socket set here. We've got everything from vice grips to spanners to screwdrivers to shifting spanner to everything. There is everything in here.
Even chisels in there.
There's even chisels.
Huh.
This is amazing. You want another one? Yeah. Woo! This was us, so that's not Ottendorf. That was us.
How did you guys even do that?
We got excited. You ready? Woo! It's a big boy.
Yo, that's massive.
That is nice.
I need that.
Ottendorf, you've done us very well. Thank you, Ottendorf Machinery Mart.
Really well.
This is nice. We're going to take it up.
Like that.
Right. Oh yes, this is a heavy boy.
Show us those muscles.
Andrew, you can take that off. There we go. Woo! We need a spanner. We need a spanner.
What spanner?
Looks like an 8 mil,
Where's the 9?
maybe a 10 mil.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
We'll just edit this out.
Yeah.
Okay. We are good. Right. Jacob,
Tuck it in there.
would you like to do the honors?
Oh, you get it. Oh, you can do it. I'm already breaking stuff. And then we need another spanner.
Another spanner.
What spanner?
14.
14?
14.
I'm on a 14. What are you on? 15.
Yeah, 15 is
Okay,
actually
guys.
probably a good call.
15.
First time.
First time.
Ah, I was wrong.
Oh,
16, 16 probably
that's
makes
a 14. Too big, too small.
It's too small.
16.
Too small.
Ah, so Andrew was also not right.
No, 17.
17.
Guys, we're going to need to get better at this.
Yeah.
Otherwise, this is going to take forever. Oh, I'm moving.
He's going up.
Andrew, that's quite the movement. I think that is a success. Alright everyone, that just about wraps it up for today's video. For our eagle-eyed viewers among you, you would have noticed that my shirt has changed color. No, it didn't magically change color. If it could, that would be really cool, but no. It is the next morning. We decided to kind of wrap it up last night. We were all very tired, it got very late. So yeah, it's just me back in the garage at the moment. And I can guarantee you're not going to want to miss what comes next. So make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Let's get it out far and wide. We have got so many exciting things coming this year, and it's going to be a big year for us. So we really hope that all of you will join us for the ride. We thank all of you for watching these videos. We thank all of you for the support. We're going to want to see what comes next. So we will see you next week.